Hello kids, welcome back to the online class. Myself, Mrs. Neodita Matpati. I am here with the subject mathematics. Which subject, children? Yes, mathematics. Can you tell me in the last video what we have discussed, children? Yes, we have. In our last video, we have started the chapter 1, isn't it? The chapter name is Spaces and Shapes, isn't it? So, already we have discussed about spaces, isn't it, children? In spaces, can you tell me what all we have learnt? Yes, we have learnt bigger, smaller objects, biggest, smallest, nearest, furthest, nearer, further, on, under, inside, outside objects, isn't it, children? I think you might have watched our last video, spaces. If you have not watched our last video, I want you to go through the spaces, children, and you should be able to identify, you should be able to recognize the spaces given. Okay, children? So today we will continue with the shapes. There are two types of shapes, children. One is plane shapes and the another one is solid shapes. In today's class, we are going to learn only about plane shapes. Okay, children? See, look towards the board. Shapes. In that, we are going to learn, as I told you, only about plane shapes. There are different shapes. We see many objects around us. In that circle, it has no sides. Square, it has 4 sides. All 4 sides are equal. Rectangle, it has 4 sides. Its opposite sides are equal. Triangle, it has 3 sides. Okay, children? Now, let me show you some examples. See here. Can you tell me what is this? Yes, this is circle. It has no sides. Isn't it, children? Are you able to see? It has no sides. So, this is circle. Next. What is this, children? This is square. Okay? It has 4 sides. You can see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides, isn't it? Here, all the 4 sides are equal. In square, all the 4 sides are equal. Okay? Next, you can see to the rectangle. It also has 4 sides. See here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Isn't it? It also has 4 sides. But its opposite sides are equal. See here, children. See here. 1, 2. They are equal. Then 3, 4. They are equal. Isn't it? See, opposite. These two are opposite. They are equal in sides. And these two are opposite. Isn't it? So, these two are equal in sides. So, rectangle has 4 sides. Its opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides. Okay, children? Then next, we'll go for triangle. This is triangle. It has 3 sides. See here. 1, 2 and 3. Isn't it? It has 3 sides. Now, let me show you some examples. See, what is this, children? Bangle, isn't it? Can you tell me which shape is this? Yes, bangle is in circle shape, isn't it? We can see bangle is in circle shape. Next, can you see this? This is Hajmola packet. Which shape is this, children? Let me tell you, it is square in shape. You see, this packet is having 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. Here all the 4 sides are equal here. Okay? So this is square. Next, can you see this chart, children? This is rectangle in shape. Okay? This chart is rectangle in shape. It has 4 sides, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, its opposite sides are equal. Are you able to see? See. These 2 sides are equal and these 2 sides are equal. Opposite sides. Okay? Next. This is triangle. It is made up of thermocol. Okay, see. This is made up of thermocol. It has 3 sides. Means triangle has 3 sides. See here. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. Okay. Then one more object I want to show you. This is oval shape. Which shape, children? Oval. At present I don't have example to show you the oval shape. Do you know egg, children? Yes. See here. Egg is the example of this oval shape. Are you able to see? Yes. Now let me show you some more examples of circle objects, square objects, rectangle objects and triangle objects, children.
The shape of the button is like circle. The shape of the football is like circle. The shape of the moon is like circle. The shape of the smiley face is like circle. The shape of the clock is like circle. The shape of the earth is like circle. The shape of the plate is like circle. The shape of the sun is like circle. The shape of the chocolate block is like square. The shape of the biscuit is like square. The shape of the gift box is like square. The shape of the clock is like square. The shape of carom board is like square. The shape of bread is like square. The shape of chess board is like square. The shape of sandwich is like square. The shape of cushion is like square. The shape of mobile is like rectangle. The shape of photo frame is like rectangle. The shape of blackboard is like rectangle. The shape of cupboard is like rectangle. The shape of television is like rectangle. The shape of hanger is like triangle. The shape of sandwich is like triangle. The shapes of samosas are like triangle. The shape of road sign is like triangle. The shape of mountain is like triangle. The shape of cone ice cream is like triangle.
I think you might have watched the video. You might have come to know many things, many objects around you which are in the shapes of circle, square, rectangle and triangle, isn't it? Yes. See, so there are many different shapes, children, of different objects around us, isn't it? So let me end up today's topic, that is plane shapes. Let me recap it once again. See, circle. It has no sides. Square. It has rectangle. It has 4 sides. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. It also has 4 sides. Its opposite sides are equal. But see here, opposite side 1, 2. These two opposites are equal, and 3, 4. These two opposites are equal here. Next, triangle. It has 3 sides. You can see 1, 2, 3. Triangle has 3 sides. Got it, children? Okay. Now let me end up today's class. I'll come with the solid shapes in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep smiling, be healthy and safe at your home. Thank you.